Guys, so we're at the dyno. You guys can see the Type R's behind me, and we got someone else on the dyno. We're just waiting for them to finish up. Then we're gonna throw the Type R on, and we're gonna make some powers. So Tom thinks he's gonna make 238. Mark's gonna be in for a surprise. I said my numbers, and I stand by them from like the last time. Deep just showed up, and then you got Mercer being a fanboy over there. I want to put Tom so bad on camera, but he won't let me. Not bad, not bad. But stay with it, boys. All right, guys, so this is Deep. He's got a fast CRX. If you guys go back a couple videos, you'll see it on the channel. It made really good power. But he sucks at driving, so it died. I suck at driving. Mine died. But we're going to race again next year. Or, sorry, we're going to race for the first time. And I'm going to beat him.
No problem. What do you want to do? Dig or roll?
Huh?
Dig or roll? I give you a race.
Matter, bro.
I give you a race.
Let's go from a roll.
I give you a race. You want dig? I give you a dig. You want to roll? I give you a roll.
You want to go from a dig? That gives Tom enough time to put a rope from your car to my car. So if you start pulling, I slingshot.
Say the tread wear on these things.
Nah, let's just have a good time, brother. Let's have a good time.
Yeah.
Hurry up and fix the car so you can do some pulls. We gotta catch it on this camera right here. Look,
Mercer.
this camera.
Of course, waiting for Mercer.
Oh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Look at the type.
Danny.
Look at the type.
PNC.
Oh, Pizza Nova.
They don't get that.
Dyno food. Some pop.
It's not sleep. I know.
All right, guys. The EL. Oh my gosh, the EL. My bad. The Type R is on the rollers. Ralph and Mercer just going over everything, so Ralph gets accustomed into it. He's gonna be doing some magic. Deep went to go get us a coffee run. Papa Stallion himself joined. His brother Love. We got a little Luca Bam Bam over here. Say hi to you two, buddy.
Say hi to you.
Oh, he's being shy. He's being shy. So it's gonna be a fun night tonight. Can't wait to see what power this is gonna make. Enzo, how much power do you think it's gonna make? Mark, the second driver, doesn't know that it's got the built head on. Push.
I say 230 to 40.
Nice, nice.
238, we say.
Oh, that's what Tom said. 238. Oh shit.
238. Build head. Motor's complete.
was a good pull. It's all packed up, ready to go home, ready to lay it on the track. Good night with everybody. That's pretty much it for tonight. We gotta thank the man Pat for always letting us use the dyno.
Thanks, guys.
So that means when he hits the 57s, that's...
Thank the homie Ralph for always with the great tunes. Enzo, always holding it down.
Hey, is that what happened?
Alright guys, we're all wrapped up here at the dyno. Integra made some good power.
What a long day. Okay, Mark, we gotta bring it down now, eh? Sure.
Yep.
We gotta back it up.
So next week, you guys are already taking it to the event next week, the race, right? And you guys are gonna go for a test hit.
Friday. Yeah, it would be the Friday practice.
Friday practice. Nice. So it's gonna be fucking fantastic watching these two guys beat the shit out of this car on the track. Yeah. So
It's gonna be great. Everyone's gonna talk about it, man.
she sounds so healthy. I think it's the healthiest I've seen since like I first saw the car.
Oh, there's this. Okay. Yeah, you bring it, buddy. It's easier just to drive the car. No, too many speed bumps and too much crap we're gonna pick up. Dude, you gotta think long term, buddy. Buddy.
I'm getting this all
want me to do it?
This is all on camera. This is
You
too
want me to
good.
do it, yes or no?
But
Yeah.
guys, from all of us,
Next week.
thanks for tuning in. Thanks Tom for letting me record the beautiful Type R. And it's a cool car, man, Type R. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. To the next one, peace.